So what do we have here? You have a placemat, basically. Actually, it is the service blueprint that we are going to use as a paper prototype to show to our faculty colleagues. And what you have in front of you is a diagram of how we think the virtual research angel service will work. Let me talk about a few things that you can keep in mind when you show this around to our colleagues. The first thing is to keep in mind that we have three groups of people on the left. And the top group are the faculty. They are the most important user. They are the focus of this service. So we always want to make sure that whatever happens in terms of the interactions is in service to their needs. Below them, we have the virtual research angel and the things that they will do to serve the faculty. Below that, there are the support processes, different kinds of supports that help the virtual angel create good answers for the faculty member. Okay, so what happens then? It's a timeline, basically, where we see the faculty member kicks off a question in the form of an email to the virtual research angel. The research angel will be using a system called Support Bee. It's a very simple but robust support system that looks just like Gmail, but allows us to track all of the questions that come in and creates a bank of information for the virtual angel to track over time. The only other tool really is email and Qualtrics. And so it's a fairly simple system, but allows us to provide the support that we believe the faculty have asked for. Now, what are some of the important things to keep in mind also? There's this line across the page right below faculty, and there's another line just like it below the virtual research angel. It's called the moment of truth. And those are the lines during which when services cross those lines, those are points when either the faculty is going to decide if the service is any good from the virtual research angel, and below that, the virtual research angel is going to feel like they are getting the service they need from their support process resources. So those are really important. If there are other moments of truth that we discover by showing this around to the faculty, we should write those down and get an idea of how we can improve the service. And let's see, what else? What else? Well, is this done? No, hardly. No, this is a prototype. You are a user, so feel free to bash away on it. When you take it around, write on it. Let your faculty colleagues write on it. Two things to remember as we go forward. This is not precious. Just because it's colorful does not mean it's final. In fact, we are not in love with this idea yet. We want to be in love with it, but there's no reason to be in love with this. This is just our first paper prototype. Keep in mind also that this is not a decision from on high. When you show this around, if the question comes back, is this what IER has decided? Or is this what the research committee has decided? The answer is no. What do you want to have it do? Because this is what we're going to do what you decide. What features do you want in this? Will the service do this? Do you want it to do that? If so, great. We'll write that down. We're not in love with this. This is part of the human-centeredness of our work. And so as you shop this around, improve this by writing on it, getting new ideas, and we'll put it into a new version. That's all I can think of right now. See you.